guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this mini light projector. I really love this projector, guys. I think it's a great addition to your holiday decorations. It is also super easy to install, and all you have to do is just plug it in for it to start working. It also comes with the base that it's on right now, guys, but it also comes with a ground stake in case you want to like stick it to the ground outside and just leave it there for more stability. It also moves around, guys, so you can just adjust it to your liking, so it's super flexible. I really love that. Now I know that most of y'all probably got it because y'all want to put it in the outside of your house, so I am going to show you how it looks on the outside, but first let me show you how it looks on the inside and then we can move on to the outside. Alright guys, so now I plugged it in and turned off the light so you can kind of see how it looks like in the inside. This is how beautiful it looks, guys. It just radiates Christmas. It radiates the holiday season. I really love it. But now let me show you how it looks outside. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like outside of my house. It is super pretty, guys. I absolutely love it. It looks like Christmas. It looks like snow. It just gives off that Christmas festive holiday season vibes that I wanted for my house. I would absolutely recommend it, guys. It's definitely a must-have for this Christmas season.